This is a presentation I put together about the benefits of interactive e-portfolios. I'm not going to talk you through all of the points, but you'll see that this software which I've used is called MindMeister, which creates mind maps and also has the option of creating presentations similar to the ones you see on Prezi, in which you focus on individual elements, such as this part of the mind map. And if you click next, you move on to the next point, and you can choose which part of your mind map you'd like to focus on. I love the tool. It's a great tool for presentations with complex content, interconnecting elements, and main points, sub-points. As you can see here, I have a section about assessment opportunities. I've divided that into summative and formative, self-assessment, peer assessment, and teacher assessment. And that's where the interactive element comes in, where students assess each other's content online with the help of the ePortfolios forum tool, where students can comment on each other's work, which they have submitted online. And there are many points that I've added here, too many to talk about in this presentation. But as you can see, it's a great tool. It's similar to Prezi in the way that you move out, move in, and if you like, you can also see the whole picture. And I love this tool.